I don't know what it is, but I keep getting this nerd inspiration. So it'll be like different concepts that I'm thinking about, and then I'll be wanting to share them with the world, or at least the world of YouTube. So basically, I was thinking about evaporation, precipitation, and condensation. And I was like, well, I don't know if the new biologists or my little scientists, I don't know if they're aware that the different phases of water essentially make up every single stage of the water cycle. Let me explain how. So, when it comes to precipitation, precipitation is essentially water molecules sliding off of one another. So, if you think about water, water is just like a big circle and two little circles on the side. Now, their movement is going to determine whether they're in the precipitation phase, condensation phase, or evaporation phase. Now, the easiest way to understand temperature and to understand these different water phases is movement. So when it's just sliding off one another, that is it in its liquid state. So that is water in the state of precipitation. When it's like frozen solid, when it's like basically at a standstill, that's when it's frozen solid, ice. That's ice water. But in the clouds, you would think like clouds are like in a frozen state, but it's like not like ice state, because that would be hail. Hail would be the frozen state of the water cycle. So we can continue with the water cycle at precipitation, but it would be the frozen state of water. And then when we think about evaporation, anytime you think vapors, anytime you think gas, that is literally just a movement of molecules that are fast. So any gaseous molecule that you think of or substance are literally just molecules moving really fast. And in the liquid form is literally just the molecules sliding off of each other like snakes. Yeah, so that's the precipitation aspect, or the liquid aspect of water in this different cycle. Now, the condensation stage is not slidey and is not fast moving. So condensation would be that middle ground between being like stationary, because frozen is literally just water molecules at a standstill. That's what frozen is, and water in that state. Now, I hope you have a better understanding now of water molecules in the precipitation, condensation, and evaporation state. Evaporation, water molecules moving really fast. Precipitation, water molecules sliding off of each other. And condensation, water molecules being very much at a standstill state, but not in the state of frozen like ice. I hope that helped you guys nerd out. Thank you for coming to Rough and Pink.